Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to step on today's video? I'm going to show you how to remove photo background in Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in. Then, on the bottom of your screen, you can see a small plus sign. Tap on it and select a picture you want to remove background from and using a new design. Once you do that, it's gonna load and you can see options like design, elements, text, camera roll, brand, upload, etc. at the bottom of your screen. You don't have to select any of those. Tap on the image. Once you do that, you can see there is replace style and effects. You have to go to effects. There you can see there's background remover option as your first option. And guys, you need Canva Pro to use it. You just have to select that option and it will remove your background photo. And guys, that's it. That's how you remove photo background in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.